Welcome to the future of coding with CodeAuto 5.0, the revolutionary generative AI-powered plugin that's changing the game for developers worldwide. In today's fast-paced tech world, efficiency is key. That's where CodeAuto comes in. CodeAuto isn't just another development tool. It's your AI-powered coding companion, designed to elevate your coding experience to unprecedented levels. Whether you're using VS Code, Visual Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans, CodeAuto seamlessly integrates into your preferred environment. Let's dive into what makes CodeAuto 5.0 unique. Image-to-web content conversion. Imagine turning a sketch or mock-up into a fully functional web page in seconds. CodeAuto's AI analyzes images and generates responsive HTML, CSS, and even interactive components. Whether you prefer Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS, CodeAuto has you covered. It can even create Angular, Blazor, and React components, bridging the gap between design and development like never before. One-click unit test generation. Writing unit tests can be time-consuming, but not with CodeAuto. With just one click, it generates comprehensive unit tests for your code. Supporting frameworks like JUnit, NUnit, and PyTest, CodeAuto ensures your tests are thorough and aligned with best practices. This feature not only saves time, but also improves code quality and reliability. Custom prompts and voice commands. Tailor CodeAuto to your specific needs with custom prompts. Create shortcuts for complex coding tasks or project-specific requirements. And for those moments when your hands are busy, use voice commands to control CodeAuto. This hands-free coding experience is perfect for multitasking or accessibility needs. Multilingual code. Conversion. In our polyglot programming world, CodeAuto breaks down language barriers. Need to convert a Python script to Java or C# to JavaScript? CodeAuto handles it seamlessly. This feature is invaluable for cross-platform development, learning new languages, or migrating legacy systems. Automated SQL CRUD procedures. Database operations are the backbone of many applications, but writing CRUD procedures can be repetitive. CodeAuto automates this process. Simply provide your data model, and it generates optimized SQL stored procedures for create, read, update, and delete operations. This not only saves time, but ensures consistency and reduces the risk of SQL injection vulnerabilities. Code refactoring and optimization. Good code is clean, efficient, and maintainable. CodeAuto's refactoring capabilities can transform complex, messy code into elegant, optimized solutions. It identifies performance bottlenecks, suggests improvements, and can even implement them automatically. This ensures your codebase stays healthy and performant as it grows. These features combine to make CodeAuto 5.0 more than just a coding assistant. It's a complete development ecosystem that enhances every aspect of your coding workflow. With CodeAuto, you can accelerate prototyping and development, minimize coding errors, facilitate learning for junior developers, adapt across multiple programming languages, reduce development costs. From our free plan for individuals to our comprehensive business plan with advanced features and team management. Ready to revolutionize your development process? Visit codeauto.ai today to get started in just 3 simple steps. Register for a license. Download and install CodeAuto. Activate license. Contact us today to get a first-hand experience of CodeAuto 5.0, empowering developers, one line at a time. Thank you.